I very rarely do restoration projects, but when I saw this crusty old quick release vise at maker camps, I just couldn't resist. Let's see if I can give it the help it needs. Vinegar is doing its thing. See, that rust is floating right up to the surface. I've got a parenting tip if you are anything like me and are incredibly impatient when helping your child with homework. Find a nice, simple, cathartic task to do in the background. If, for example, I can fixate on slowly brushing the rust off antique vise pieces, I find that it doesn't cause me physical pain to hear my son slowly sound out a word he's stuck on. He deserves that kind of patience. This is the best solution I've come up with, and getting something done while being a better parent is a win-win I'll take any day. I'm drilling out a twin turbo vise gear because it just happens to be the same thickness as the quick release flap, which is the only part of the vise that I'm replacing instead of just fixing up. The original one was only held in with gravity, and its wear pattern suggests it's popped out in the past, so I'm going to increase the contact with the shaft grooves on this new one and put a magnet on it to lock it in place. These leopard wood rails, along with brass end caps that I'm cutting now, are my method to connect this vise to one of the new magswitch drill press vise mounts. When we designed that mount, the 3 T-slots on top were a simple way to offer a quick connection to just about any modern vise. But, of course, there are vices out there with odd mounting connections like this one, so I thought that doing a build showing how to make at least one connection to an oddball vise would be helpful. As promised in the title, I'm raffling this off. So if you make a purchase using I Want Vise on Mag-Tools, link in description, first off you get 10% off your purchase, but then every $50 that you spend gets you 1 ticket to win. I'll draw the winner in 7 days, that's November 15th, and I put a few videos in the description of smaller woodworking and welding magswitch products that you might want. But if you work for a large steel distributor, for example, and need a dozen 6-ton beam jacks for all of your service centers, you could rack up a whole lot of tickets. This was a lot of fun. I'm really happy with how it turned out. The locking quick release is a big improvement, and the action is really smooth while there isn't much play in the moving parts. So I like this. I think some more restorations on the channel could be coming up in the future. Hope you enjoyed it as well, and I'll catch you next time.